Alright, Dave. Today we were going to cover camber and caster adjustment, right?
That's right, Jenny. We will go over the most common adjustments. Remember, we can't cover every possible configuration, so what do you do if you get stuck?
Call you right. No, really, I would use the illustrate adjustment key on a Hunter or the adjust or animate icon on a John Bean.
That's right. So let's take a look at the more common adjustments.
Loosen both lower strut retaining bolts to allow camber adjustment. Rotate the eccentric bolt to correct camber. Tighten both bolts to manufacturer specifications and recheck camber measurements. The strut tower may require modification to allow for caster adjustment. Remove the retaining nuts and cover plates. Identify the bolt hole which is not slotted. Lower the strut and position it clear of the area to be elongated. Use a rotary file or die grinder to elongate the hole. Reinstall the strut, cover plates, and retaining nuts. Slide the strut forward or rearward to adjust caster. Torque the retaining nuts to manufacturer specifications. Remeasure camber and caster. Camber and caster may be corrected by moving the lower control arm in and out through slots provided at the frame mounting. Loosen the forward lock nut. Install the adjustment tool and move the front of the control arm to correct camber. For caster, loosen the rear lock nut. Install the adjustment tool and move the rear of the control arm. Then tighten all lock nuts to specifications. Camber and caster adjustments are provided by eccentrics located at the upper control arm. Each adjuster is secured by a lock nut which must be loosened. To adjust caster, rotate the inner eccentric until the desired angle is achieved. To adjust camber, rotate the outer eccentric until the desired angle is achieved. When adjustments are complete, torque the lock nuts to specifications. The upper ball joint may be used to adjust camber. Loosen the two retaining nuts located at the end of the upper control arm. Then move the top of the tire inward or outward to adjust camber. Tighten the retaining bolts to manufacturer specifications and remeasure camber.
Hunter's Cam Power Tool adjustment feature can be used for control arm adjustments utilizing slots, eccentrics, or shims. By comparing the current readings to specifications, Cam determines exactly how far and in what direction each end of the control arm must be moved to correct the alignment condition. And, as the adjustment is made, the angles are tracked live, so you know exactly when the correction is complete. For shimmed control arms, Cam will display the amount of shims that need to be added or removed from each end. Reducing adjustment time by half, Cam takes all the guesswork out of camber and caster correction on upper control arms.
None of those looked that difficult.
You just need to work smart and follow the on-screen prompts.
And I need to remember to remeasure caster after I make the changes so the measurements move to the printout.
That's right, so what's left?
Once we print the alignment, we are done, right?
Not quite yet. We will need to reset the steering angle sensor and any other required advanced drive assist system sensors required. Then test drive the vehicle to be sure we have corrected the customer's concerns and the steering wheel is straight.
I'm not sure how to reset the ADAS system.
We'll cover that in the last section. I'll see you there.